y'all. So it's been a really long time since I posted a video. You guys haven't seen me in like a few months. I'm so sorry, but I've been revamping my hair company. I've just been trying to like do a lot of research, and I've also been working, so I've been like really busy now. So that's why I've kind of like put YouTube to the side. If you guys are interested in getting a custom wig made, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my name somewhere here so you guys can follow me, and also make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a company called NICELIGHT Hair. They were nice enough to send me this package here. Yeah, so they gave me an option and I chose the body wave hair. I'm gonna leave the link to their store and everything like that in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and purchase their hair or just look at their hair if you're interested. So they did send me 3 bundles and a closure. So this is how the hair came. So yeah, 3 bundles and a closure. And I have the lengths I have the lengths 18, 20, and 22. And then they sent me an 18-inch middle part closure. Okay, and it is a regular 4x4 closure. So I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly open these. I'm not gonna make this part too lengthy because majority of the time the bundles feel the exact same, and again, you're not really gonna get to see the quality of hair just from me showing it to you straight out of the pack. Most hair comes really silky and nice, and you know, that doesn't really give you the opportunity to see whether the hair is good quality or not. So I'm just gonna open these quick. Comes with a little net over top of it as well. I'm just gonna open all of them. So this is the 22-inch bundle, and it's very soft. As you guys can see, I'm like literally getting my fingers through it, no problem at all. And yeah, this is the body wave texture. I'm sure you guys are familiar with what body wave looks like. Yeah, and the weft construction is very nice. I feel like this hair is a little bit brown. I don't know. I might have to see it in the light, but so far this bundle is very thick and nice. I'm not getting any shedding, and the ends are very thick as well. And I also don't see much split ends either. So this is a 22-inch bundle. This here is the 20-inch bundle right beside it. And last is the 18-inch bundle. And this hair feels amazing. Oh my god, it feels so nice. And I feel like this hair is gonna color really nicely. So in terms of length now, the 22-inch, right now I'm wearing a 24. And this is how long it comes on me. The 22-inch wavy is gonna hit me right about there. And then the 20-inch is only 2 inches shorter. And then the 18-inch is the shortest length. So yeah, again, these are the bundles. Now I'm gonna show you guys the closure. So this is the lace closure here. And this is the 4x4, so it will go to like right above your eyebrows. And it is a middle part, as you guys see here. It already has a parting. And lengthwise it seems like it's true to length. It said it was an 18-inch. So if I were to place it on my head, yeah, it's pretty accurate. Yeah, the curl pattern seems like it is the same. And yeah, I don't really have anything negative to say right now. I'm not getting any shedding from the closure either. So yeah, so far looking good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots to the closure so you guys can see, like, should I buy this hair? Is it gonna start shedding on me? You know, is it gonna get bald spots? Stuff like that. So before I do that though, I'm gonna also wet the hair so you guys can see the natural state of what body wave looks like. A lot of times people are curious as to how body wave looks, because to be honest, this is not really a natural like curl pattern. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks once you wet the hair. Once the hair gets wet, it's gonna have less of a wave. It's not gonna be as like tightly waved like that. So here is the hair wet, and this is just how the curl pattern looks when it's wet. And also the sizing of the closure is really good as well. So I was pretty impressed with that. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots. I'm gonna be using the Salon Care Quick White Super Strength Powder Lightener. And this is just, it's a 16-ounce container. So I'm gonna be using that, and then I'm gonna be using my 30 volume developer. So I went ahead and put 2 scoops of the powder bleach. The scoops look like this. So I just went ahead and put 2 scoops. Just keep it, I'm only putting 2 scoops because I'm going to be bleaching 2 closures. But yeah, so 2 scoops of powder. You're going to go ahead and take your developer, and you're going to just kind of eyeball it. That's what I do. But you want to make sure that the consistency is a little bit thicker. So if you put too much developer, you might have to go back and add more powder, depending on how it comes out. So I'm just mixing it together. And for anyone asking, you do need 30 volume developer. Like 20 volume developer, it will bleach the knots, but it won't do it quick enough, and probably not precise enough. So yeah, now that I've mixed it, the consistency is good. It doesn't run off of the brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this onto the closure now. So literally, I'm just lightly putting the bleach onto the closure. And you want to make sure you're getting all the way up towards the front where the baby hairs are, because you don't want to see any black like knots. And just make sure you're not pressing too hard, because that's when the bleach will start to seep through. So now that it's finished, what I do is I just go back and look and make sure that you've covered all the knots in the front. And once you've checked that, you can go ahead and just flip the closure over, and you can just let it process. And it came out really, really nice. I'm impressed. So this is how it looks now. As you guys can see, the knots got a lot lighter. And let me see, holding it up to my skin tone, it didn't even really get that brassy. So normally I would tell you guys to like purple shampoo it, but I personally don't have that right now, so I didn't bother to use it. But let me just part it and show you guys how natural it looks right now. This is how it looks against my skin tone. It's not too bad. Probably go ahead and purple shampoo it, but I have to go buy that. So yeah. But the closure bleached pretty good, so I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with the way that the closure bleached. So I'm going to be constructing a lace closure wig, and once the wig's constructed, I'm going to do a second part to this video, basically of me styling and kind of installing the closure into my head. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you guys and gave you guys a new vendor for you guys to go check out on Aliexpress. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Leah Lorraine Collection. And also make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.